can I see how we alone? Look how hard we try, nobody here we cry. Them no care for you for we alone. Been through the storm when the rain is on. We saw no one, we alone.
Nice try.
Or we pause this for a second. Nobody trying to get copyrighted. Guys, welcome back to day 2 of our cottage vlog. We're currently in the kitchen cooking up some chicken. What? You're so annoying. Oh, my hair looks a hot mess. But anyways, oh,
my hair looks like a hot mess.
Everyone kind of just woke up while we've been up since 7. We're like the first ones up.
I was telling Mama and Daddy. Telling Tia, I'm like, this is such a mommy pajama, isn't it?
It is.
That is.
Anyways, my bro over there about to get ready. We were supposed to be going to a wine taste. We're not going anymore. So we're currently just chefing up some breakfast, and I think we're going to Outlet.
Yeah.
Then we're going to shopping outlet. I'm currently making some ackee and saltfish. A what? Barbecue? BB crew?
We have a BBC.
Oh, then today we're doing barbecue.
It's probably inside out.
But yeah, I'm chefing up some ackee and saltfish.
You or me?
Me? What are you?
You're
That
me.
kind of thing.
That's like turning out. See? You or me?
Shut up. Then we got some waffles over here. Waffles. Smells so good.
Yeah, beat them by the way.
Beat them.
Guys, if you want your eggs to be nice and smooth and soft, you gotta put like a milk in it.
Fluffy, right?
Yeah, like just this much more of salt, just like this. Just that much.
Let me see your guys' nails. Well,
I'm dead.
my ones are kind of old, but shout out to the nail done.
The nail done, yes. So cute.
Wait, it's not focused. Hold on.
I love that.
Why is it not
Yeah, my
focused?
hands better not be dry. You better not be
Okay, there you go.
dry.
Shout out to the nail done on the nails. Can't really see it, but not food in your nail. Not food.
I'm dead.
I'm joking.
No, this looks like food. School work do at 4? Oh, that's Nisha's phone away. What school work do I have?
Yo, these waffles plus the saltfish smell, just not combining good together.
Oh, it's not?
Saltfish pancakes.
Try me.
Is there a cutting board?
Yeah.
Yeah, I seen them too.
Oh, they came fully prepared, eh?
Oh yeah.
They came.
If you guys are in Toronto, Durham, wherever, Canada period, you guys are looking for a cottage, I'm gonna list all the wait, are they on Airbnb?
Yeah.
I'm gonna list all the details down below. This place is really nice. It's really nice. And this whole place has everything. It has, let me show you guys. Don't watch the mess, but it has coffee machine, it has tea cups, tea, toasters.
Complimentary wine.
It had complimentary wine?
And s'mores.
Oh, wow.
That's a s'more kit.
Seasoning. We did bring these ones.
And the good seasoning too.
The good seasoning,
yeah?
right?
Yeah.
Seasoning salt.
All-purpose season.
They have a blender.
Yes.
Rice cooker we brought.
Toaster.
Where? There's stuff here too. Wow, see?
Oh yeah.
So it comes fully loaded. So you really, we just brought all these extra cups so we have to do this shit.
And we didn't know what it had.
Oh. Yeah, we did. Okay, so this is my first time coming to a cottage. Literally, Shauna had to come and watch him. She's like, you gotta hurry up because.
Since water has water.
Oh, I'm dead. Yeah.
No, I was just about to go, but I was looking for a bag to put my stuff in. Shut up. Anyways, you have to like quickly shower basically, like no more than 5 minutes because it's a tank, right, Gabby?
Yep.
And if
I
you
don't
feel
turn it on until I'm actually like literally physically like naked and going into the shower.
I wash my face.
I don't wanna-
before I go into the shower. No, seriously.
Yeah, actually it's true. I don't wash my face in the shower either.
well,
I
it's
do it
new,
outside.
guys. It's new to me, okay? Just bear with me. But anyways, I literally lock off the water, soap up, and then turn back on the water because I was scared. I didn't
It's
want
so cold. It just literally sometimes will just shut from like hot to just cold right away.
It literally reminded me of back home. That's what it reminded me of.
Back home, we don't even have hot water. We have to
We
boil
don't have
water.
hot water. We have cold.
We have to boil
We
water. We have a bucket of water and then we mix the two.
Yo, that's so funny because we do the same thing. Whenever I'm down there, like sometimes if it's really hot, I'll bathe in cold water because throughout the day it'll just feel more nice and cool.
Good.
But if it's like nice, because when I'm in Jamaica, I have to bail out 2-3 times because I don't like.
Me too.
It's like
hot.
fresh.
Well,
Yes.
not Jamaica. I've never been to Jamaica. But
Girl, we gotta bring.
Okay,
her
we're
to
gonna go
Jamaica.
next year. Okay.
We gotta go. But yeah.
That'll be fun.
Anyways, let me tune back with you. Got some
The
veg
thing
here
too is,
cut up.
Now that I'm a
The ackee.
broker, I can get a sick deal.
We're here talking, saying which one of us out of Mike, Keisha, Shauna, and myself get bullied the most. Like
Bullied the most?
and just the siblings.
It's definitely me.
Okay.
Who gets picked on the
bullied,
most?
picked on.
Picked on. Like always bothering them. Not in a bad way, like in a jokey way.
I think it's me.
No, Shauna, you're the one that's
She initiates
picking
it, right?
on people.
She
Except for
initiates
last night. Except for last night. Everyone seemed to be picking on Shauna last night.
Because she was the one who was like, turn up, everyone take a shot, and then
I was turned up, no one was people
You were turned down in the bed under your sheets.
Turned up and no one wanted to drink, so I'm like, why am I the only one that's like willing to
Bro,
drink?
What? I was drunk. I don't think you realize how much drinks I had.
But Shauna, she doesn't want, everybody's like, drink.
No,
but
yeah.
that was like, drink, chill, drink.
Yeah, Shauna, no one.
Like running around and doing
No.
If you lost to the game, you had to drink, but people didn't want to drink.
The way people drink is usually like they gradually go to 20%, then 40, then 60. Shauna is 0 and then 100. There's no in between.
I can't do that because I'm not pass out.
Especially with Hennessy.
Oh, exactly. Especially with Hennessy. I can do that with like vodka or tequila or rum.
No, and that
But
ginger
Hennessy,
thing.
does.
Can you cut off my check?
Hold on, I have flour. Can't
Give it to me.
Ice cream from Switzerland.
Give it to me!
I definitely think it's me still though.
No, it's me. Gabby was about
You're
to
not
say
even enough.
Hold on.
No, but take this in. Mike's not even around enough.
I know, I was gonna say
Like, I'm forgetting to have a brother sometimes.
And you're a guy, so.
I feel like everyone just more say I'm miserable. Or grumpy. Or
I feel like Keisha does get picked on a lot, to be honest.
Not recently because I've been hustling, you know, making my money. But
No,
before that,
I think with Keisha, it's not that we pick on her.
you guys pick on me.
It's because she's the
You guys
youngest.
pick on me.
Because she's the young. No, because she's the
You
youngest.
see? Do you hear it?
Yeah, exactly.
She's like, she just does the wrong thing.
Oh, I did the wrong things? Never doing nails again.
No, I think with Keisha, it's just we just try so hard to teach you the proper way to do
Because
things.
we've been
So
there.
it comes off as us.
It's older sibling syndrome, trust me.
Because we don't want you to make
I've
the same
never in my
mistakes we made.
So Sister Shauna Bananas over here making some cabbage, saltfish.
I toss cabbage.
I tell food.
Saltfish and cabbage.
Dumplings over here bubbling.
You can take out some of the water.
Oh, you can use that water. I do. Is crying supposed to be pretty? Yo, I would eat this just alone with saltfish. Well, everyone's already eating before I even get to catch the food, but it's a little bit of everything.
Waffles, hash browns, eggs. You look at the videos, Marcus slept all night.
That's some eggs. Where's my little bang. Keisha. So guys, we're currently here at the premium outlet. About to do some shopping. Yo, I'm so not used to your car, man. Here. You want this? I don't even need it. Bro, that's cute. Do I want to walk with the camera? Because how am I gonna hold everything? This is where it is. It's literally like what? 10 minutes away from where we are. The sun is blinding me.
Yes, the car door open.
But I'm gonna leave the camera.
Oh. So you just start recording your phone then.
Camera, my phone ain't got no space, shawty. Ooh, Ziggy's about to spend $100. Yo guys, I'm sorry. I was gonna take the camera with me, but I think I need my arms to be a little free. Anything exciting happened. But like I said, we're just here at the shopping outlet, and then we're gonna go back home and barbecue. The weather's pretty nice out.
There we go.
But yeah, I'll check with you guys in a bit. Just got back home, and we're all dying of hunger. Keisha's on the grill. Oh my god, the deck is so hot. Seasoning up her burgers. And then we're also gonna be doing some here.
Three snacks.
I'm gonna start seasoning up some other stuff that we have in here. We got red snapper, salmon, chicken. Chicken's still tough. Just some vegan burgers there. Got some hot dog. Keisha's burgers are actually bomb. Can't show you guys her secret ingredient. But yeah, I was making a drink that actually tastes so good. I made some mojitos. Taste this, Gabby. Be honest. It might need a little bit more rum. I was honestly just fooling around. Tastes better slushy.
That's not strong enough. Sorry.
Yeah, I just need... I just said it might need some more rum.
No, I'm just saying.
I told you guys. Anyways, I low-key just want to try out the blender, so that's why I used it. Anyways, let me go clean up.
You should crush it more.
You boners aren't ready yet? Dude, relax, man. I'm telling you, we'll get there on time, alright? Yo, dog, what y'all think? Tucked in or out? To be ready if you were partying all night. Oh, man, it was so awesome.
Oh, it's our final night. We're just chilling outside. I have my cup, my Baileys, you guys can't see. Gabby. Woo! Goddamn.
They all caught.
They all caught? Let me move this shit back.
I know, that's what I was saying. I'm like, I think I need to move it.
Oh shit. Oi!
I know.
Holy crap. Cheers!
So look, wait still.
I can see it. Stop.
Gabby, you're so dumb. She used my belly to hide her head. Baby, it looks so good like that. I think you should wear a poison on that.
It does look good.
Thanks. My head looks big, no?
Can you guys see me? Because right now there's like no light. Here I am. So as I was saying, it's our last night, so we're just chilling by the fire. But the way how this spark is flying off, it's so cold outside. But yeah, I'm waiting for Ziggy. Ziggy went inside. Everyone's kind of just chilling. I don't know if I'm gonna get copyrighted or not, but hopefully not. It's okay.
Oh my god, you're totally like vlogging.
It's okay, because I'm probably gonna get copyrighted anyways. You hear the chair?
We need to buy chairs like this for Cottage too.
They have them at, well, not the wood ones. They have the plastic ones at Home Depot.
Home Depot, get the plastic ones we need from thing. They're like
red. I know, and this chair is kind of...
I'm like,
you can't even move this chair back. It's like broken.
move it like over here or something so it's not like blowing your way or something.
Which way to blow?
I think it's blowing, I don't know actually.
Come here, Ziggy, come sit here. You hear the chair? No, come bring the chair.
Nah, man. Probably somebody else got one chair.
Ziggy done.
No. Oh.
Oh my god, I can't even. What's your.
Nice, huh? Yeah, something nice.
Hey guys, welcome back to day 3, which also means that we're going home. We're heading home. We're actually heading back to the where right now? Oh, the outlet, because we had to return some stuff. And then we're going to a shooting range. Let me tell you guys how I'm so scared right now. Yo, I'm actually so scared. I'm probably gonna pull the trigger like 1 or 2 times and that's it.
You're trying to go waste people, man. Go pull the trigger 2 times.
Yo, don't So we're sharing though.
Yeah, still, so
Yo, I'm just scared. Like I don't. That's why even when I got the offer to do like the RCMP, and someone's like, "Yo, are you scared to shoot someone?" I was like, "No." Someone said, "If you had to shoot someone, would you do it?" And I'm like, "No." And they're literally like, "Yeah, no. If you have to save your life, you want to shoot someone?" And I'm like, "No." I don't know, man. That's weird. But it was actually nice up here. The up here is really nice. There's a lot of stuff that you can do, and it's not that far from Niagara Falls. I would probably say like a 15-minute drive, if even that. And then about a 15 minutes from the outlet. And then yeah, there's like grocery store and everything. It was nice. It was a nice relaxing week. again. I'm just feeling really tired for some odd reason. I think because I kept waking up last night. I didn't really get like a full sleep. But yeah. So stopping at Starbucks to get something. We just finished returning whatever we had to return or get whatever we had to get. Starbucks, and then we got this like, well, I made Ziggy, trying to make Ziggy try different things. So we got Mr. Pretzels. You like it?
Yeah, Ziggy just had too much sugar.
Too much. Okay, so this was the, so yeah, these are hand rolled soft pretzels. So it's like one big pretzel. It's like really nice. It's like a nice warm bread.
Yeah.
This one was the cinnamon one that he got. I was trying to get him the salt one, but I didn't have any. It's just really sweet. And then we went to I think it's called Rocky Mountain. And we got candy apple. So Ziggy got the coconut, frick, what was it? Coconut caramel candy apple. And then I got the cheesecake candy apple. This one he likes, but he was trying to try something different and ended up buying one that he didn't like. We should have what we said. Ziggy and I literally planned and said, okay, we're gonna get this one and the candy one. The man see the coconut and
because me like coconut, that's why.
I know, I saw it yesterday too and I was so tempted to try, but I was scared it wasn't gonna taste good. This one's literally like coconut shreddings and then caramel and white chocolate. I don't know if maybe the white chocolate's not complementing the coconut. I'm gonna try one.
Alright, this one might reach.
Where? That's it? I don't like it. You try my drink and say I don't like it. They have like hot stuff too. It's like an expensive Tim Hortons. Now yeah, chop stuff. Ew!
No?
It doesn't taste bad, but the coconut is almost, the coconut does not match with the white chocolate.
Yes, so.
I think that's what it is. It's like really sweet. So something's overpowering something.
So how are the manis? Just
caramel, white chocolate, and the coconut. I think it'll be fine. For now, just stay here. Worst case, just worse. I know why you're doing that because I had it on you.
What? Do what?
You're doing that because I had the camera up on you.
When? Bongo cleat. What do you think may go cost? No. People then say if you have manners on the channel.
You do cuss a lot.
I don't cuss a lot. I talk it. I just talk, I talk. That's not tasty.
So, I guess we'll see you guys in the next clip at the gun range. My heart is pounding as I know we're almost there. My heart is pounding. Look at my muscles. Starbucks line forever long, you know.
Yes, sir. I'm not lie. I say now what a late thanks, a late respect, you know. Appreciate all like happy birthday, you know. All like belated, all like happy birthday. All of them I give some respect, some thanks for you. I mean, you don't know anything come now. So I don't know, but for y'all who probably like send me like 1, 2 something on Instagram, or them think that me delete me, well, yeah, me delete me Instagram, me delete me Facebook. What else?
Did you delete it or are you just not using it?
I just delete it from my phone.
Okay, so
you know, cause it's like For I want to know from what day I say is like I kind of want a little break from, you know. So my time I just go up on Facebook or Instagram and it just literally jar all of my time. Like me there say I do something good and just I think just pop up on my phone and I just jump on Instagram and by the time I check out the levels, I just scroll for the whole evening all I want hour pass or 1/2 hour pass and I just like yo. Why you in there do so long for Instagram and you know so we just say oh cause the time we waste we can't get it back so easy, you know, you see me say it's like you have to, you know, value your time. So when they try to value the crime of time, you see me, can't just say sort down the whole light on Instagram and them social media platform and settings, you see me, I don't know things. But I hope on the good and honestly like the best part of the idea come up. Nisha say a nervous part of the weekend I guess. Bust off the Mach 90, the Glock, the strap. But I hope everybody good. Hope they enjoy the weekend vlog even if you not much but we still try. Yes man I say. I know we are going, I can't wait to go see Nyla.
I know right? I keep getting little updates of her and it's so cute.
And you keep it to yourself.
Yo, we should, I show you. We should get breadfruit before we go home and roast it.
What?
Some breadfruit. You don't like breadfruit?
I do like breadfruit, but where did that come from?
Oh, because I just saw breadfruit here.
Oh. Yeah. You see, things set up with the wine tasting when they want the wine tasting, but we go bust gun when we want to go.
The wine tasting was too early and everyone was just trying to recover from the night before.
But you don't know. I guess when we reach this again, we can clap up a little one video. No, seriously. What you say? Don't pull up my line. Oh man.
We just paid for our session. You can split, so it's $125 per person plus tax, but you can like split it per couple. So that's what we did. Whoever can split it, they just did it that way. Yo guys, I just used a porta potty. Ugh, it was so disgusting, but I had to use the washroom so bad. I hate those things. They're disgusting. I'm gonna drop my phone in there. Just so they took my phone in my back pocket. I'm like, let me.
Wait.
I know you are well excited because you've been dying to do this. Ziggy's been, since he came up here, he's like, oh, I need to go on a gun range. But he didn't want to go on no lickle digga when he actually wanted to go on. Oh my god, my freaking.
Where's the other two?
No, it's 8.
No, it's 8. I thought she said there was 10.
No,
she lied to me, get me going. Trying to get me all angry. No, it's all right. Get those in, then come in, all right, guys? We ever shot before?
Nope.
Yeah. Oh, we got a couple pros?
No pros.
No pros?
So
no
we just
pros?
got AirPods to put in. I can't even hear.
Fucking right. All right, let's do it.
I can't hear you.
Go wait another car. You're saying about one, do it.
Shut up.
Load up.
Ziggy, my phone's stuck in my back pocket. Don't touch nothing.
Come on over here.
Sorry guys.
No, it's all right. They got all your plugs in. They're all your plugs.
Everybody's
They're
jumping.
all your plugs. Guys, ready? Sorry. Okay, so in front of these benches is our firing line. Nobody goes beyond this point when anybody's shooting guns, loading mags. They back here. Whenever anybody goes downrange, we don't touch the tables. Keep the barrels pointed downrange at your target at all times. Most importantly, keep them below that pile of dirt. There's a directly behind us. These bullets will land in their backyard. One more thing is no rapid fire. A little pause between shots. Take your time, okay, guys? You got glasses? I thought you had sunglasses. Oh, you don't want to wreck your glasses, right? You're lucky. We got your back, Missy. All right, everybody right-handed? That's alright, it's all good. I'll just lay down the gun backwards for you, okay? So, we're gonna pick it up, finger off that trigger just like this, okay? Line up the handle all the way until you feel the click, okay? Grab your slide right here, pull back, let go, gun's ready to fire. You want a nice tight grip with your right hand, squeeze your fingers, stack your thumbs just like this. Nothing back here. When you pull that trigger, your slide's gonna come back and go forward every time you pull that trigger, right? If you're back here, it's gonna bite you, it's gonna hurt. So you want your thumbs on the side of the gun at all times. Now, frame in the gun. You got your front sight, your rear sight. Front sight, you're gonna tuck it right in that little square right here. So the very tip of this sight is nice and level with the shoulders of your rear sight. Your very tip of your front sight, nice and level with the shoulders of your rear sight. And your bullseye will sit right on top of that front sight while you're leveled with this. Any questions? Alright, who wants to go first?
Cross your thumbs.
Don't make me pick. Because it will be a lady. That one right there. Look at the cameraman shaking her head.
I can't, guys. No, I do not want to go first.
Your trigger.
Guys,
Come on up here. Oh man, doesn't get anywhere. I'm sticking a gun in your hand. How do you think I feel? Get everybody shit. It's no big deal. Don't worry. You got
Take a minute.
By the time I'm done.
If you want to do one more, you have four more. Take
Long shot. 0, 1. Way over there, okay? So you're gonna come over here. Roll it over. I'm gonna help you out, don't worry. There's a loaded magazine straight up that handle. Push her in.
All right.
Perfect.
Everything,
Now we're gonna
guys,
grab
is
a
gonna
hold
be
right
the
here.
same.
Pull back, let it
Same
snapshot.
grip. Load
Beautiful.
it, aim at the same.
Now,
Load
that
it the
thumb
same.
over thumb, right
Just
like
a
this,
little
okay?
bit more recoil.
Right like that. There's nothing to it. Straight on that. Close one up. And remember, we're going 0, 1 over there. Look right through here.
It's just a way.
Tip of this front sight, nice and level with these shoulders. So you see that? Get the very tip of that front sight, nice and level. You get that just touching the bottom of that bolt. There's no technicals whatsoever.
Like you're way right. But so does the 9. Like it's cool in itself.
Nice and level.
Yeah.
45.
Just see it. That front sight, nice and level right there. Go ahead, take a squeeze.
Sorry.
No big deal. No big deal. Go ahead. Now, get that front sight nice and level every time. Get that touch in the bottom.
Shop at the store, shop in the drop and stop into your Louis Vuitton, cover my toes, throw my trousers, look at my bricks, these are my tennis, look at my shoes, Chrome hot socks and sandals, man's outside in crocs and shambles. Please quick talk, no rambles. Soon as they send they bread, I cancel. I like the tango, twisting and tangle, testing the angles. Up in the bank though, I got the same goals. You with the same hoes, I like the bankroll. Bracy, he wanna fuck cause I'm icy. He never met no one like me. It's pretty funny how now they all like me, ain't it? This ain't rented. Straight from the plane, I boarded. Maybe you can't afford it. I'm with my dogs and we out in Shoreditch. You got a shortage on your funds and I got a long clip on my guns. Sounds like fun, I got no shortage, I'm no bum. Reach for my person, you done. Reach for the purses. Wearing designer, I'm in the future. I got a future, I'm in a new truck. I'm in the booth, y'all drinking kombucha. Singing with Smiley, speaking me highly. Tryna go Kylie, I wake up finally. Suffer in silence, waking up violent. Checking the finest, choosing the finest. That's the environment, I'm at the timing. I'm at the timings. AP, ooh, I'm checking my timing. Cleaning my watch, cleaning the top. Cleaning my job, I got a job. Kicking, drop my Nike. Very good check, they like me. Man tell me he like me, he wanna fuck me, very likely. Can't even honor it, man. I think that's true. Yeah. I'm in London, I like to go and shop at the mall. Shop at the Prada, shop at the store. Shop in the drop and stop in Dior. Louis Vuitton, cover my toes. Throw my trousers, look at my bricks. These are my tennis, look at my shoes. Chrome hot socks and sandals, man's outside in crocs and shambles. Please quick talk, no rambles. Soon as they send they bread, I cancel. I like the tango, twisting and tangle, testing the angles. Up in the bank though, I got the same goals. You with the same hoes, I like the bankroll.
Guys, I was so scared I started sweating.
Mike still loud. Oh yeah.
Wait, so not the numbered one?
Where they know that they can't go. She go both ways, so I'm tasting a rainbow. Yummy, they got no more bread, they're crummy. The same way that Mello was staring at Bree is the way that I stare at the money. I'm ready to risk it, all if I lift it, bet I won't miss it. You a statistic, thought shit was sweet till we popped up and popped off the top of your mystic. I go ballistic, hopped out the drop on the up, now I'm opportunistic. I like to shop in the district, copping this, copping that, I'm proper capitalistic. Dreamer, running the game in my signature trainers. Balenciaga for joggers, I might just wear Crocs at the O2 Arena. Splendid, got no limits. Should have a tank on my pendant. Blokes going broke trying to keep up with cold, but I make it back soon as I spend it. Maybach tinted, excuse me sir, but ain't that rented? I'm offended, straight cash for my Benzes. We don't pay back interest, aim at fences when I swing. Pay respects and kiss my ring. Even Elizabeth said I'm king. Well, he's plugged well right.
That's what I felt. I felt the barrel was pushing down on my.
That one is
shot number 4.
Gabby.
Number 4?
Number 8.
That was intense. That one's like even more heavier.
Number 9.
That one the more heavy.
Yes, like it jerks you back.
Yeah, more.
I just took me a minute to figure it out, right? Nice well.
We have to listen.
Just let the gun jump, okay?
You want to hold it a little
You got this. Nice.
I pull up, roll the window down it. I pull up, roll the window down it. I pull up, roll the window down it. I just bought a pistol, it got 30 rounds. Pull up at your mama's house and put some rounds in it. Wait a nigga block and watch them niggas drown in it. 100 round drum, got a nigga down with it. I'm on that slaughter gang shit, murder gang shit, slaughter gang shit, murder gang shit. I'm on that slaughter gang shit, murder gang shit, slaughter gang shit, murder gang shit. I'm on that slaughter gang shit. Take a nigga bitch, use the bitch, cause I ran off with your shit. I'm a real right blood, any nigga counterfeit. You pull up on the L, push it for you get killed. I bought a brand new drop and then I put me up some drops. Y'all said real street nigga, y'all ain't on no block. Keep your legs closed, cause all I want is talk. I pull up and y'all gon' call the cops. I just bought a pistol, it got 30 rounds in it. Pull up at your mama's house and put some rounds in it. That nigga block and watch them niggas drown in it. They round drum, got a nigga down with it. I'm on this slaughter gang shit, murder gang shit, slaughter gang shit, murder gang shit. I'm on this slaughter gang shit, murder gang shit, slaughter gang shit, murder gang shit. 2 guns up, I don't give a fuck. I'm a big dog, little nigga, you a fuck. Pull up at your spot, walk up on it, shoot it up. Your bitch, she on the molly, yeah, I gotta boot it up. You said that you was trapping, but I heard that's a lie. Baking soda, cold water, cut the stove on, scrape the sides. You can keep skinny bitch, cause I like her fat ass to die. So y'all savage, your baby daddy know not to try. I just bought a pistol, it got 30 rounds in it. Pull up at your mama's house and put some rounds in it. Let a nigga block and watch them niggas drown in it. 100 round drum, got a nigga down with it. I'm on this slaughter gang shit. Murder gang.
Yo, don't touch my targets.
Number 1 is mine.
Number 4, 5, and 6 are mine. Oh, I was on this side though. 8. I did 5, 6, and 4 on that side. Ooh, look at that. I did 1 bullseye.
Yeah, I did 2 on this one. When I had the rifle, that's how good.
Mike, don't lie. You didn't do that one.
Yeah, I did.
You know you guys can take off your thing, right? You guys can take off your ear.
The earplugs.
Who did 12?
Oh, I did 12. Let's do both sides.
So guys, we're all done. I was so nervous. I was sweating. Holy.
It is.
Thank you guys, we appreciate it.
No problem, thanks for coming out, guys. It's been a pleasure. Been a pleasure. You guys were all super safe. Yeah. Come back anytime. You're all welcome.
Have a good day.
Awesome, Missy.
What's your name?
Don. Why any complaints? My name is Frank.
No, you're going on YouTube. You guys are going on YouTube.
Sweet.
And TikTok.
Nice.
So we're about to leave and head back to Toronto. This was actually fun. I was really nervous, but it was good. The guys really made you feel comfortable.
So funny.
I know, right? Literally, if he wasn't like that, I don't know.
No, yeah.
I don't know, man. Anyways, have fun picking up Zoe. It was a fun weekend.
Bye.
See ya. Not like I'm not gonna see you guys again.
I know.
But yo, let me see your paper, Ziggy. Better get no bullseye. Bullseye. Let me see. So this is Ziggy's one of them. Okay. You get a couple bullseye. How come you get to shoot so much? Hey guys, not Ziggy like getting tired and have me driving like. Yo, we're home, but we're just stopping to get something to eat. Exit here. I'm low-key tired, but I'm excited to see Nyla. I can't wait to see her. Like I said, we're just getting something to eat, and then we're going home. And I guess that's that. It's been a great weekend. The gun range, because the gun range was, y'all see I was sweating? That's how nervous I was. And I'm the most nervous one out of everybody. The whole time I'm standing there, I'm like, this is me, Ziggy. But yo, Ziggy was scared to pull the trigger.
Yeah,
you were scared to pull the trigger. And you know what it was? It was the anticipation of like the gun jerking. Because even after I was like, yo, my shoulder. But
I mean, I want to miss something either. I mean, notice every time.
So you were trying to get both. Like,
yeah, why not? If me I shoot you, I shoot to kill.
Yo, when I had was it a rifle we shot last? What did we shoot last? When I had the rifle, whatever I had last, I was squinting the wrong eye. I was like this. I was squinting this eye. That was funny. Yes.
But me see the angle that the one them more than the other one them.
That one
like,
was.
you like that the one.
I like that one. That was my favorite one. The first one was okay. The second one jerked too much. Like you have to really. Wait, where are we? Oh yeah. The other one, the second one.
I kick on the kick money kick.
That one was just too.
Yes, boss and kick back like.
Yeah, the man's like hold it strong, and I'm like I am holding it strong. Like what else you want me to do? And it was just. But yo, Nyla had a fun-filled week out. You know, let me feel you, and I'm gonna let her tell you guys what she did. Nyla. But yeah, that was really fun. That's something that was like on my list, but like not on my list. It was on my list, but when I was actually there on the site and hearing everything, I was just like, it was just.
You wanted to cancel?
Yo, I was low-key like, nah. But Ziggy, that's something you can cross that off your bucket list.
Yeah. Like it binds them.
And I took some for souvenir too.
You just saying go to support police for Lampine.
Yo, I said the same. I was thinking the same thing too. I'm like, supposed to.
I don't know where you go with that. If you that shit in the scene.
I don't know why I have it. I'm gonna mark them, carve them. I'm probably gonna dash them for real. Show daddy and dash them. I am hungry. We are hungry. Ziggy have me yamming.
Like
bread.
Like
bread is food right now. Might have me eating lime chips. I'm like hungry. I'm starving. Holy yo, guys! The amount of accidents that we've seen on the highway. We saw. Was it 2 coming back or 1? 2. Saw 2 coming back.
Not 2.
It was 1, right? Okay, we saw 1 coming back that was really bad. Yeah. And then we see another one. I guess the car broke down. Then we just seen a freaking like I don't know if it was a fox or what, but it was huge.
Fox, man. That's big. Like,
so what would it be? Because you can't say dog. That wasn't a deer. That definitely was not a deer.
It
wasn't a deer, guys. That looked like a big fox or not wolf, big. But like, yo, I don't know, man. It was huge though, and the worst part is his body was all over the highway. That one, ugh.
You see what like brain marrow?
Every
step on the ground like.
It was just all over, holy, but. Yo, the worst part to vlogging is like not ending off the vlogs, because then when you edit, it's like, where's the rest of it?
Wait, where is that I vlogged it?
Right. And the worst part is I was trying to make space on my camera, and I deleted vlogs I didn't have. I'm just praying that they're on my computer. I'm about to pull up to Jack Astor's and wait for the gang. Parking spot right here.
Park there?
Yeah. Make sure you bring the hot sauce.
Anyways, so right now, guess how we are there now? Yeah, Loki, I'm so excited to see now.
Bro, me too. Like,
I never had these feelings before. I joke only with Nisha. Like, I come down and like, yo, I can't wait to see her. Like, I would be like, I airport feeling nervous and everything.
Watch that.
Like, did you just fart?
No, my foot just slid
you
off.
Just fart.
No, I didn't.
Yeah,
My foot slid off because I was about to stand.
So Nala is in the backyard, I guess. Just chilling.
Yeah.
So.
My heart.
Nisha is such a, like...
I'm such a what?
Okay, mama, go on for your bikini. Oh. You hear that? Crip. Say Papa.
Do you want to go that way?
Inga. Clay, look for you like you come from foreign. Or you had fun today?
Who is that? Your mommy and daddy. You come from your daddy? What is it?
She don't know what to do.
Go to your mommy.
Why are you so stubby? What's up? Happy? Bella, did you just pee? Oh, I thought you peed. What's up?
Forget manners. Good evening. Oh, 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 oh. So, have fun? Have fun? Go. Over?
You happy now?
You know, see how we
Right?
alone. Forward we try, nobody here we cry. Them not care for you what we alone. Been through the storm when the rain is on. We saw no one. We alone.